How to save TikTok video without Watermark Android. So hi guys, the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your TikTok app and then go to the lower right hand corner and choose the share icon right here. Once you have clicked on the share icon, simply look for copy link. Once you've successfully copied the link, go to a browser. So for example, a Google Chrome browser or any browser that you have on your mobile device. And simply input SnapTik that app in the URL section. Now, here we are going to paste the link here in the paste TikTok link in the bar and hit on download. Now we can see another download button right here. Simply exit from this commercial and download. As you can see, we have already downloaded the file. Let's open it up and let's see if it has watermark in the end. Let me fast forward. And there you have it. We have saved the video without the watermark. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed and bye.